Hi, this is Bruce with Wildtronics with a short demonstration of how to assemble your Pro Series parabolic microphone. It's very simple. You have basically three different parts. You have the dish, you have the handle, and you have the mic unit. And it couldn't be easier and faster to do. Basically, you take the mic unit in your hand with the back panel facing up, and you take the dish and you set it on top of the mic unit so that it's centered in the hole. Then you take the handle and you basically put it on top of the mic unit and assemble it. Now, there is on the back here an alignment pin that helps you a little bit to get it aligned so you do not break the switch off, because if you put it on the wrong way, you can, and tighten it down, you can break the bat handle of the switch off. So the alignment pin helps you not have that problem. So just align it so that the XLR is on the top, switch is on the bottom, and you assemble it. Now, if you have a Pro mono stereo or an amplified, it's slightly different, but it's basically the same thing. You just align the back panel, tighten the hand knob on the back here until it comes to feel like a hard stop to it, and that's the end of that. And you tighten it a little, that's done. You're ready to record. Just connect your mic cable up to it, however you want. Turn the power on if you're using a battery, and you're ready to go. Simple as that. To remove it, the dish, and disassemble, it's the opposite of the procedure. Take the hand knob and pack the back of the handle, loosen it while holding the mic unit in the so that the handle's on the inverted. Take that off, take the dish off, have the mic unit in your hand. And that's it. It's simple as that. Very easy, quickly could be done, taking the dish on and off.